Hi, boys and girls. Happy Wednesday. Today, we are going to figure out a problem for our character that we started writing about last week. We will do that by using our graphic organizer to illustrate our problem of our story, and then we're going to write one sentence for the problem. We're going to do this because it helps us become better writers. A problem is something that the characters want to change, fix, or figure out. The solution is a way to solve that problem. Last week you took a picture of nature and you labeled it, and then you chose a character and a setting from your picture. And I chose a squirrel, and the squirrel was eating a pecan, and the setting was the tree. The tree was the squirrel's home. So today I'm going to think of a problem for the squirrel. I'm going to draw a picture of the problem and write a sentence for the problem in my journal where we wrote characters and setting. On the other page we wrote problem and solution. So let me think of something that a squirrel might have a problem with. Well, I know it's fall. That means it's fixing to get really cold, and there's not a lot of food when it gets cold. So his problem might be that he's running out of food. So let's add that to my graphic organizer. Okay, we're not going to do the solution today, so I'll just sit right there. My problem, okay, so he is going to be hungry. So he's looking kind of sad. Here's his fuzzy tail. Okay, he's looking kind of sad. He needs to go get some pecans for the winter. He's running out of food. So my problem for the squirrel to solve is that there isn't enough food left for the winter. So if he doesn't have enough food left for the winter, that's a problem. That's a problem that my squirrel, my character, needs to solve. So tomorrow we will come back and write a solution and draw a picture of the solution for the problem that we're writing today. So the problem for my squirrel, that there isn't enough food left for the winter. He's running out of pecans. Okay, so I am going to think about what he can do to solve that problem for tomorrow. And after you write your problem, you can start thinking about a solution, a way your character can solve their problem for tomorrow. So for today, just think about something that is a problem for your character, something that they want to change or fix, and draw a picture and write a sentence about it. So let's review what we talked about today. Well, we said that a problem is something that the characters want to change, fix, or figure out. The solution is a way for them to solve that problem. We looked back at our nature picture and our characters and our setting that we chose. We looked back our character. My character was a squirrel. My setting was a tree. So you're going to look back at your character and your setting, and then you're going to add a problem for your character. Draw the picture and write a sentence about your character's problem. What is it they want to fix or change? And then you're going to take a picture and turn it into your teacher. Have a great day. Bye.